Chuck time! This is the chuck that came with my Powermatic drill press that I have abused badly over the last couple of years. It's visibly wobbling, and when I checked the run out, varied all the way from 42 to negative 22. 64 thousandths of run out. Terrible. Let's take a look at this $46 China special. Not a whole lot better. Varies from 22, 28, 29, down to negative 2. 31 thousandths of run out. So half, but still pretty terrible. This is a $246 Lambrick. 0 to 7. Still only kind of mediocre performance. I said in the beginning that I abused the chuck on my drill press. That also means I've been abusing the drill press itself. Some of this may be due to the drill press and not the chuck. But Andy, why are you abusing such a nice, expensive drill press? Well, it wasn't intentional. Not surprising. I've been drilling a lot of holes in metal over the last couple years, and that's something I've kind of had to climb a learning curve on. I've had a few incidents where maybe I'm being a little too aggressive or not securing the metal piece well enough, or a bit of both, and it kind of binds and the metal piece threads up onto the bit and starts spinning and hits, luckily not me, opposed to the drill press, and then it bends the bit, and that puts a lot of torque on the chuck and potentially the drill press. But that is the story there with drill press abuse. Hopefully I'm past all that and don't put myself at risk and don't damage the nice expensive chuck that I bought, that I am very happy with. Beyond even just the numbers, it's got a really solid feel to it. Like I can just one hand unchuck and chuck up a bit. It just feels really solid. So I'm not trying to push anyone into a purchase by any means, but I can give this a decent endorsement, I believe, if you're really looking to upgrade to something nice. One thing I can say for sure, this is going in the trash.
Your runout indicator is measuring 0.01 millimeters, not 0.001 inches.
Wait, that can't be right. Not only did I screw up the millimeter thing, I managed to ignore a decimal place. It was reading, for the worst chuck, it was reading 0.62, not 0.062. So it would have literally been over a half inch of deviation. Okay, so let's try this again. For the chuck that came with the Powermatic that I beat up, 0.62 millimeters is 24 thou. So still bad performance, but not horrendous performance. For the cheaper Chinese keyless chuck, 0.31, it's going to be half the last one, is 12 thou. Just over 12 thou. I had literally taken this off my Amazon store because I thought it was so bad, like I can't even have this up there. I'm going to put it back because I think that's decent for $46. It's a pretty good keyless chuck. And for the pricey Lambrick, the $246 chuck, we have 0.07 millimeters, which is just under 3 thou. Again, some of that could be from the drill press. Some of it could be from that shaft I had chucked up there. I used an expensive American-made reamer. That's kind of the best I can do for finding something that's straight. That's the best thing I had in my shop. There's probably a calibration rod that you can get that's really perfect. But that's good performance. I mean, that's definitely good enough for me, and I think approaching something that might be tolerable in a machine shop, I don't know. Machinists tell me if I'm wrong, but it's certainly better than 7. So that's the story. Roll the thing.